What it do, YouTube? We back with another video. Hey man, if you a returning subscriber, appreciate y'all for coming back. And if you're a new potential subscriber, it's a channel where we do POV drives and we review food. Now, let me get this cold start for you. My car a little dirty. It rained. I mean, y'all know how it is. Show y'all a little cold start. Speaking of food, y'all could tell from the video, it's gonna be what's the word I'm looking for? A special little video, special treat. See, not only we going to a donut place. It's the first time I did a dessert place. We're not doing it alone. We're gonna go pick up my grandma. Now, y'all probably like, what's so special to that? My grandma has never, well, she's been in my car. She's never drove with me, you know. We're gonna turn her up a little bit and see how that go. It's the first video I don't have to go get gas at the intro. Hallelujah, let me put that in track. Get everything situated. Gauge mode. Let's do that. So right now, I'm about to go get my grandma and we'll pick up from there.
I got
gibberish. You got it? I didn't do nothing yet. You might want to hold on to that pork chop.
Really?
Yeah, about to go try this one donut place. It's called Mochi Donut. So can't get full. You gotta do a review on it.
Okay.
See if I can get out.
It's the first time you ate already?
I didn't. But people have donuts for breakfast, don't they? Don't people have donuts for breakfast and coffee?
Yeah.
So it's not that too far-fetched. But it's not like these donuts. It's these donuts, but they like in a ring. It's a little concept. I don't think they got that donut you was talking about.
That's your mama's birthday. I can't believe it.
On that license plate.
That's her year 77. She was born 3/9. Oh.
I ain't telling the whole world her birthday.
I cannot believe it.
There go the police right there.
Where?
Over there. Huh?
Why would you wait till you get all the way up here to come?
You know, if we're getting a race, I gotta race them. Step on the gas.
Oh, you left the police?
Yeah. Now they turn.
At first, these look like those African bees. Oh, it fell off. The stuff that they wear.
I'm gonna try to.
Police up there.
Where at? I don't see
They
them.
just turned.
I'm gonna try to set this up in the middle so you get your reaction. It wouldn't stick when I tried to. Maybe I gotta put it on a different surface. There we go.
Is that a microphone?
So, it's a camera. I'm gonna have to get it for you. It's down there.
No, I got it.
Okay, don't break
Go all the way. That's your phone. How's it on? How the phone get on
It's not on. It's not. It's just a camera on my head. That know. Sometimes you got people that just sit there and you're like, would you get out the way?
Is it a new donut place?
I'm not exactly sure if it's new or old. No, it's not here. I'm just looking for to set this thing up.
Oh.
It's in Dearborn. And go right here. All right, let me set this up. Hang on to your pork chop. Hang on to your pork chop.
You record me?
Yeah, it's recording. Might want to put it down. Your little window.
What's going on?
Alright, Grandma. Oh, the thing.
You didn't know I fell off?
I was trying not to crash.
Oh my God.
Alright.
That's what you wanted.
No, we about to go get donuts now. Was it fun?
Yeah. It's like on the ride. You know how you go on the rides, the roller coaster.
Man, I wish this one would have held up. I need to buy one of the things that mount or something. We can roll the windows back up. Pork chop, that thing about to fly out the window. At least I didn't let you eat it. Is it this way? It is this way.
You gotta go to this Mexican market on Michigan and Junction. They have some unusual foods, like, and the best foods.
What place is it?
Everything is called Prince Valley.
Oh no, I never heard of that. I gotta go.
It's the best market. And bring your camera. They got pork rinds as big as your body in the bag.
I don't know.
I said, what the hell is this? Pork rinds. One is as big as your. We can go there and you can see it and take a picture of it. They got a bag of pork rinds as big as your body. Herbert picked it up and I said, I think it go by weight. It was $9. Some was $9. Some was $8.
It's a market or?
It's a market, a Mexican market.
Okay.
They have unusual foods and unusual. Well, they meats cheap.
G-Wagon. It's a G.
Yeah. They said, I saw on YouTube, they not what they cracked up to be. So they bumpy rides.
They
So
only...
they originally was a farm tractor.
It's a tax write-off.
Really?
Yeah, since it weighs so much, they write it off on their taxes.
They said it was a German farm tractor. Did you know it's made from a German kind of tractor? If you look on YouTube, they tell you the history of it.
I just know they buy them for tax write-offs.
Yeah, I have looked into them. The Maya getting ready to take driver's training.
Ooh. Lane splitting. Give me a motorcycle.
I got lost at that. It's a trail right there.
Oh, really? That's where I'll be walking.
It was real bad. And I started walking at 12 and didn't get home till 6.
This is the place right here. Almost past it.
It was 6 o'clock and the man was closing the Henry Ford. They was leaving. He was remodeling the Henry Ford estate.
Yeah, when we went, it was a whole bunch of mosquitoes out. We was getting tore up. Everybody was running. Everybody's running for their lives.
When did y'all go?
Right before Josiah was born. Literally the day before.
Wow. Trinity went?
Mm-hmm.
Was she walking to make him come?
No, just walking the walk. All right, we gonna park. We gonna go.
Some people walk to make the baby come.
I say all the mosquito bites made her. Alright, we gonna walk
lost
inside.
Up in there.
You ready to go inside, Grandma? Alright. Let me see if my tire's any good. I can't see the back part. Not too much damage. I never held this thing before. So if I'm blocking like the mic or anything, not too bad. Had to check my tire.
From all that, you did the 8-ball.
I didn't do all that. Oh, don't tell me that. Oh, they not closed. There we go. Here we go.
Thank you. Oh, it's nice.
Is that enough pink? Is that enough pink?
Oh, it's a lot. Hello, gorgeous.
Check the fit out. Check the fit. I ain't dressing. Here, you gotta act like you answering the phone.
Oh, okay. Hello? Hello? Hi. Is this my grandson? He come to take me out for donuts.
Oh well. You gotta sit on this swing too.
Oh, okay. I can't get up here.
Okay, maybe not. Let's sit on that swing. Somebody calling me. We back.
Wow.
We got it.
That was quick. Wasn't that quick? They look good.
Which one did you get? Which one you want to try first?
The Kinder.
That's the one with the chocolate on
it. The box is real nice too. I love the box.
Oh, somebody's speeding.
Is that you?
Alright, you try it. I think that's one of yours. You try it first.
Okay. Ooh, they feel so good in your hand. Oh my God.
Is it really that good?
It's so crunchy and crispy.
Come on, Grandma, it's not that
For
good.
real.
Try it.
I've never tasted. It's like fried, deep fried.
Let me try.
You say you had them before.
I didn't have this flavor.
The texture It's so fresh.
It tastes more like a funnel cake than a donut.
It's fresh. You could tell it's freshly made.
It is crunchy. Alright, Grandma, it's not that serious.
For real.
Not all that. Well, I get this one.
Oh my.
This one a cool 6 out of 10.
No, I think it's a 10.
Now we got the funnel cake one.
They didn't give you no napkins?
You gotta get dirty with it. Don't wipe it on my car,
This the
please.
funnel cake?
This one. I'll show the camera. Alright, you first. Yeah, I go first because you know you gonna overdo it. I like this one better.
Why?
This tastes better. This tastes more like funnel cake. They all taste like funnel cake, but
No,
this
they
got
don't.
the powdered sugar on it. Taste it. I like this one. I wish it was a little bit warmer though. These kind of cold.
Maybe you can warm them up when you get home. Yeah, that's good. I like this one too.
You like this one better than the last one? I do. I give it.
They are crunchy.
Yeah, I give it a 8 out of 10 for that
They
one.
freshly made, you could tell.
Yeah, that's an 8 out of 10.
They don't have no day-old taste or still.
Yeah, they not stale. Well, what is that?
That's your orange creamsicle.
And let's both try it. Break me a small little piece and I'll let you try my Oreo.
Here, you break off.
I just want a small bite. Here, hold on first. Wait. Gotta show that.
Orange creamsicle. No, if you don't want to overdo it, you could have my little bar. This is real sweet.
All I taste is orange.
Yeah.
Definitely orange. That one's alright. That's a 7 out of 10. It's better than this this chocolate one. Alright, let's try the last one. This cookies and cream. I like this one. This one look good.
Probably tastes like ice cream.
Let us try.
Oh.
Go ahead. What it tastes like?
Like ice cream.
Like ice cream. 1 through 10.
All of them is a 10.
A 10. Okay. Let me try. It do taste like an ice cream. You got that ice cream flavor. With that little
Cookies on it.
No,
Crunch.
yeah, the crunch, the funnel cake texture to it. These aren't donuts.
It's better than the crunch, than the funnel cake.
Well,
What's it at?
hold on, Grandma. I gotta end the video. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe.